Hi guys, I'm so excited. My package finally arrived that I got from the Wii TikTok shop. So go check them out. And this is what I got. And these are chocolate pies, and they're called Choco-Pies. And this just brings me back when I was a kid. And they are chocolate cookies. And this is the back. It has some nice, cute little words. So I put them up there so you can read them. And look how many come in there. A whole 12. And look how cute. And it looks like they're small, but they're not. They are pretty big. So when I open them up and I put them on a plate, I did cut them in half and I tasted the first one and it was a little too dry. And I'm like, what can I do to this? Maybe add some ice cream or something. But then I thought, let's put it in the microwave. So I put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And look how cute it looks. And then when I open it up, oh, now that looks delicious. And now, after 20 seconds, it's nice and gooey and soft and it's not dry and delicious. So, if you want to try one, check out my TikTok shop and enjoy.